ihe ne ndị be unu mana ka o si adị na o nwere ihe na-akpọtụ kịta nwa na m onye obodo narị nji a sị na ada ekpuchi afọ ime aka n'ikpe ọbụla mara eziokwu na aka azụ dị na mana kịta nwa na agwa if you see don't fight against ihe na marọ. It's very easy for you to go and fight politically than to come and fight spiritually, whether ọdịnala ma ọ bụ ụka. Biko nụ gezianụ ntị ka unu nụ ebe isi wee gbapue onye na-asị na ọ na-eme arenji na Zion afọ. Ndị ọjọọ ahụ ba na Zion sị na ha na-eme arenji, nyenụ ka unu know info about them and also the case no behind the scene that people will soon come to limelight very soon. Geenụ this video ntị unu gecha unu anụkwa ka esi wee gbapụ onye obodo afọ na this video. Nenene this video because achọrọ m igbu unu oga na video ahụ na-aga gịnị woto straight ahead sharp no wasting of time. Ngwara nụ nenene this video, we are coming back. Akwa ebe anụnwa anyị ekwechiligo bụ na gịnị na anyị ekwechiligo. Nenene this video ndị bai ka ọ dị nụ mgbe ọzọ.
I think Oga Area 2 got report on the matter himself. Area 2 got report on the matter, which the people of Qur'an, which he also called myself, also called my all the Aham petition here. Now the about. So by the grace of God, I get my point. But let me say how it happened. We are on air and everybody's hearing it. This guy came to Zion Ministry and give testimonies. But this guy gave a testimony. It was later, after the testimony, it was later alerted than a testimony. Yes, that was the day. It was later alerted that testimony was fake. So, which I will not disclose here for some reasons. How we got to know that it was fake. From day one, only the testimony, the following the catch up are not fake, and every eye was on him. Everybody was strictly monitoring him. Yeah, that video was from the CCTV camera. Okay, thinking is from the CCTV camera, the Zion Ministry. So he was being monitored. Yeah, but I press not by the whole committee, not everywhere. Even my prophet. Why you have to say about prophet, man? They push you. No, without knowing that now, everybody am going on. Because I will place onye na-abịa onye ama na-abịa mụ na onwe m dị na-abịakwu Zion nọ ihe m bụ Christian mụ ahụ ga-born again ịghọtago aka nka nwere ike ịgwa onye ohi ọnwụ edo ka m na-agwa gị na maka nne yes na maka ndị na-awụre ha hụ ebe m kwuru ihe dị ụta ma mee ihe dị ụta asịlịkwa ndị ọ na-eso Ebuka Obi nwanne onwe ga-Ebuka Obi m na-eso. I am just a member of Zion Ministry who love my mentor and ready to protect him by all costs. Are you hearing me? So adịghị m nwoke ọbụla mbụ adịghị prọfet ana m ebu ama nwanne onwe ama m na-ebu maka ndị na ahụ ha ama abụghị m a pastor, nobody called me, onwe onye kpọrọ m. So now this young man a na-agba gị ewee na-eli ya even myself mgbe na group ya I have evidence of these things I'm saying. Mgbe na group ya ga na-agwa mmadụ yeah, that's great on the CCTV camera in the Zion Ministry. Mgbe na group ya ga na-agwa mmadụ not the person that na Koza nyere ha contact ha go sugar from Dangote. They wanted to dupe someone. The person is still alive. They wanted to dupe the person. That's the person. The person now have to get my contact. Duwazi m na onye buchira ndị otu ha. Na nwere ha contact eji ebute sugar from Dangote. Nsi amụnwa sugar na ebe amụnwa Dangote na mazụ sugar nje eme gịnị. It was that was how the guy ran away from their trap. Ha set Iri ya. You understand? So ihe mekata na-ege ntị because the guy n'onwe ya this same guy eji ga report to police. I ga-efo all ya report to police. I ga-efo ya gently because we are all, nobody is above the law. We are all under the law of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. And police, and the police is all there for us.
Okay, guys, anybody can be reported.
Yes, right. No problem. We have reported already, and we have followed it up. We have followed it up on the corridor of the law. So now, this guy, a 100 days fasting and prayer closing committee. This guy forcefully against it. The guy this guy forcefully went into that committee and caused a very big chaos by giving them a fake alert of 4 million naira. He gave them Negente. This guy called a chaos. This guy went there and gave them. This is the same guy. Somebody will honor. Who a blogger, a content creator. You foolishly maybe long arrange why he came to rob people in Zam ministry. This guy will take a lot. Will say there because Nama in Honaro and the man who bring me Zam ministry without you knowing that Tamatala have error. A way papa that a lot that particular key. We just try to sell a bank or who they can have on a bank.
Hey,
What this guy now did? This guy does in also or to see me in a chairman. That print a statement of account. That print a statement of account. Somebody now got account here. Or to see me in a chairman. We will follow it. Oh yeah, for the police. When I'm going to come on, for the police, they all the time. Yeah, this guy waiting also. They print statement of account to one lady. Yeah, that lady and that same blogger post through about him. That same blogger post through him. He also posted that lady. That lady and got after her, so they went and delete that one. But already that hold on. Oh yes, it's screenshot. It's audio with my team. So that lady, yeah, got printed. This guy with the main reason marrying that lady they posted by Zam ministry today. He complicated that lady, and after that lady that's on your jaw. Negente. Yeah, got printed of account the lady, which is against the law. Printing someone set up of account. Even this matter, all the poor crusade here, my bank can print here, my gene. I got put that up here. Negente. He went and doctored the woman's statement of account. He got this woman's statement of account. Mesia, I took the way so even the one now, because the one young with a muscle, all the put on the weight leader. The one that I said, go like a kuboya, the one that choco, even from the look of things, the one that he nearly insulted prophet that day. He nearly insulted prophet that day. The one that said, prophet go like a subuya or
but the less you have failed. That's what I'm talking about.
So the same guy,
we end
this same guy now went as far as Negente. Because I saw him, he tried entering me, he tried being my friend in Zam ministry, probably to also use my reputation to climb on people. Because the Zam ministry, no, him that he I beg him for business. Onola season of Bible tega e when business dota nwanne ye mbere ikpere wu Chineke ya gwe nwere mama ya kana abanye gi bro nwe ga o ma agawa gi ga waro nwe gi I don't come there for business e when business na eme before Gaza ministry. You understand? O ma say when kina supply mo o ma say when kina ebuje mo na China mo na Europe mo na Nigeria wey type of business at all atosa na anaga azo. Ọ masị ha kwekwe kweta na m na-azụ ọgwụ kwe ha m na-eche mbọsa ga-abụ polisi ka polisi ga dosi ebe ọgwụ ahụ dọ mana m onye kpọrọ polisi I'm patiently waiting for everybody and onye akpọ polisi a dem oche nka ka mmadụ ihe kpatara ya. You understand? So because I refuse to let any party today go and ask anybody in Zam ministry, I have no friend. Both old members and members. I will go na I go on my own. I like being on my own. This is email mistake. Just because I'm not class. Because it's heaven. Don't try to share with against anybody around me. You understand? So now. Ihe na-ekwu ogene nnukwu a na-ekwu okwu ya one day that is this last year 100-day fasting and prayer. Can make the long story short. Last year 100-day fasting and prayer. I told you my fans are not here. I got a copy link and you can drop on a page because of my fans, so they'll come and see.
On a page now.
I've done that already. Okay, wait, please join me.
No man, tell me about the story.
Don't worry, my book. I get book for 5 years. I told you have failed. Ishi. You know, you cannot pave way. You know this your you go enter.
Where?
It's just a matter
Try
of
by
time. Mark
any
my
means.
words.
Try by any means to use my reputation. Go on, money away. Kaspa money. Even not go to head after program. Maga pero because a guy man cannot guy a guy yo. I am henny. Irasano. Who go bush shabia?
I could stop reading comments
Prayer
on network.
program
You don't pay
last
comment
year.
attention. All the network again. All the network again. Move with
Oh, my network is
around. All
hanging.
the network again. Move with around. All the
Eh?
network again. Move with around. All the
Yes, here come
network
there.
again.
Oh, my on the man na here come there. Come switch here to another network.
Yeah, please.
So,
Copy a clip. We have come. I would video. The information I'm gotten this morning is that I wouldn't have video and attach. I wouldn't have with the main video.
Chere. Oge chiwe wule gị achọrọ m ịpịagịrị ndị mmadụ ure ka ekebara anya echiche. That woman so na ọ bịara na Zaire abịaru ebe ahụ chọ ka ọ hụ onye na-enye testimony ka ọ hụ brọchuwi ka ọ hụ onye enweghị onye kwere ya na o jighịzi ego o ji alaghachi again na ọka ọla 11 gekwe ntị o pick a point from this thing na o jighịzi ego o ji alaghachi east na omite mmadụ n'imite onye niile nwe onye na-enye ego then it comes to that na o nwere onye omite na Zion onye anye 500 naira o were 500 naira baa gị moto lawara east get story a from ebe a m gwara m bidoro I don't talk too much at big point nye gị ka m chọrọ inye gị ịtụgali chekọ na ịbịa ya enweghị onye kwuru sị na Ebuka ịbịakwala ka ịmara na itichala ụlọ m na-emeghụ ele ihe na prọfesi imere na be m emebichala ụlọ m ọhụghị ya ọhụ onye niile fine and good mgbe ka ọrịa ya bidogo ya ọhụrụ o jighị ego pike point ebe a na-enweghị ego o ji na ọkụgo 11 o'clock enweghị onye ọ natara ego emezi ofu nwoke were 500 naira nye ya were ya baa gị moto lawa east